In this short tutorial, I'll show you how to neatly conceal the zipper ends when shortening a longer zipper to fit your zipper pouch. When you're working with a zipper that's already the perfect length for your pattern, you get this nice clean finish at the corners of the bag. But when you shorten a zipper, the ends can sometimes look a little bulky, like this. It's not terrible, but we can definitely make it look better. Here's the same bag with small fabric tabs added to conceal the zipper ends, giving your finished pouch a much more polished look on both corners. Let's get started. First, you'll need your shortened zipper trimmed to match your pattern. Cut 2 small rectangular pieces of fabric, each one 2 inches wide with the height matching your zipper width. In this case, that's about 1 inch tall. Place one fabric piece on top of the zipper, with right sides facing. Sew along the edge using a 3/8 inch seam allowance. When sewing over the zipper teeth, go slowly or turn the hand wheel manually to get past the teeth so you don't break your needle. Gently pull the fabric away from the zipper. Then place the zipper right side down. Fold the raw edge toward the zipper tape once and then fold it again to fully conceal the zipper end. Top stitch close to the edge to secure the tab. Again, take it slow as you sew over the zipper teeth. Repeat the same steps on the other end of the zipper tape, and your shortened zipper is ready to use in your next zipper pouch project. I hope this video helped you visualize how to neatly finish and conceal the zipper ends for your zipper pouch. Thank you so much for watching and happy sewing.